Hey there, Mark from Union Home Mortgage. There's a lot of buzz in the media about this 50-year mortgage that the administration and Pulte are thinking about rolling out. I mean, we're a long way from that happening, but I just wanted to go through the numbers with you real quick. So I'm using a $300,000 purchase, 20% down. The mortgage amount is $240,000. I've stripped out the taxes and insurance because it won't matter based on what kind of mortgage you have. And I'm assuming that there's no mortgage insurance. So let's take a look at this. So I'm comparing a 20-year, a 30-year, and a 50-year. So the first column is a 20-year. You're using today's rates. We're at about 6.5. Depends on your credit score, of course. And then a 30-year, we're at about 6.75. And so the savings going from a 20-year to a 30-year is about $232 a month. So that's a pretty good savings. Now, let's take a look at the 50-year. So a 50-year, what I did with the rate is, because we don't really know what the rate's going to be, is I took the spread between the 20 and the 30 and I doubled it. So I'm assuming that at the very least, the interest rate on the 50-year is going to be 7.25. So 7.25% on a 50-year is going to give you a payment of about $14.90, which is $66.50 less than on a 30-year. So not sure why you would actually do that. So the stuff that you're looking at, so we're using the 30-year as the baseline. So we're saving $66 a month by going to a 50-year. The problem with what you're hearing on the media and online is that everybody is using the same interest rate for the 30-year and the 50-year. That's just not going to happen. The bank's not going to give you the same rate on a 50-year that they're giving you on a 30-year. The longer the term, the higher the rate. That always happens 100% of the time. So the other thing is that you're going to be paying a lot more interest up front than you would on a 30-year. So let's take a quick look at that. So over the first 5 years, you're going to pay $78,700 in interest on a 30-year fixed. And in the same 5 years, you're going to pay $86,516 on a 50-year fixed. Not only that, it's going to take almost 40 years to pay off half your mortgage, half the principal balance. So again, don't be taken in by the media. This isn't everything it's cracked up to be. I don't know why they would float this out there. It's not going to help anybody. So I just want to give you all the information. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. Mark from Union Home Mortgage, 248-705-8431. Thanks a lot.